Hey guys, welcome to this quick unboxing of the Galaxy Buds Pro and also kind of a quick comparison to their predecessor, the Galaxy Buds Plus from last year. Now I haven't really even opened these yet, so we'll be kind of, going through this as I open them up and see what's inside. And as you can see on the right, I have the Buds Plus. I have the original box and everything. And I'm pretty sure everything's going to be very similar in the Buds Pro. I do have kind of a little protective case around here that I got from Amazon. These are very good to have just in case you're going to take these out on a hike or, out to the gym or something like that. And here's the old Buds Plus. And you can kind of see the Pro-like design that these had. Let's see if we can get good focus here. Here we go. And yeah, these are in pretty great shape. They've done their job and they've been pretty great as far as audio quality and battery life is concerned. But as always, every year brings new tech, and in this case, we have the Buds Pro. And I'm going to go ahead and just kind of open these up here, breaking the seals. There we go. And let's see what's inside. There we go. So we have kind of like another pearl container. Now these are the silver ones that I ordered. I just thought silver looked nice, so that's what I went with. Here's that. Very similar to last year, kind of. And then we have the box here with, I'm presuming, old tips, charging cable, and all that kind of stuff, or different tips and stuff. So here these are side by side. I'm going to go ahead and take this out of the little wrapper here. And we'll open up the Buds Plus here. And here are the Buds Pros. And you can kind of see the differences in design here. Whereas the Buds Plus were, pearlescent. These are very reflective, very shiny, solid matte white on the inside here and silver on the outside. Kind of like a silver, I guess, stone. Kind of harkens way back to the Galaxy S3, where I think Samsung took this, the visuals of like stone-like objects. And as you can see here, pull both these out here, the difference in design. To be honest, I think I like the old design of the Buds Plus better. I don't know why. I mean, you let me know in the comments what you think, but I do really think that the older Buds looked a little bit better. But yeah, these are a little bit lighter. I can feel that already. It's a little bit more of a compact case, so that's cool. I don't know why the silver one has this off, kind of like a bluish shade to it, but it's okay, no big deal. But yeah, so here's obviously, what these two look like side by side. Also, a few differences here. These are obviously going to sound a lot better. And they also have active noise canceling, so that's also great. Now to kind of see what these feel like in the ear, let me just go ahead and put one of these in there. Interesting. So they have the ambient noise on by default here. Sounds kind of weird, but they seem to be staying in the ears pretty well compared to, let's see, these here. Yeah, I would say the Buds Plus definitely have a better grip in the ear, but that might be because I haven't played around with the different tips and all that on these yet, so I will be doing that for sure. So yeah, so this has basically been a brief comparison and unboxing of the Galaxy Buds Pro, and I think they're pretty nice. I'm going to give them a try and kind of take them to the gym and take them on a hike and stuff and see how they do. Thanks for watching. Bye.